Hello, hi again, Jen here again. And today, this is one of my favorites. This is one of my favorite saying. It's not really a saying, it's something that we hear a lot, is think outside the box. Think outside the box. Think and act outside the box. Okay, I love that. I love to think of ways to be different, okay, because that's what it means. Dare to be different. Remember how yesterday I was talking about be creative, okay, so that's taking it one step further. Think outside your box, okay, to create success in your life and business, by the way. Do the opposite of what everybody else is doing, okay, because this is what's happening, okay. There's two type of everybody else is doing. Everybody is doing one thing because it works, okay, and this is great, and learn from that. There's a reason why certain things are done a certain way. There's a reason why marketing is done in a certain manner, okay, so learn from that. But it doesn't mean you have to be a sheep. Doesn't mean you have to copy exactly what they're doing, okay? Learn from what's working. And then the things that everybody else is doing because everybody else is doing it. Does it make sense? And that's maybe completely wrong, okay? So think outside the box. Think, how can I be different? How can I do something that is going to be of interest or, attract attention? Get attention. I don't know, okay, so just to give you some silly examples, you go on YouTube and everybody's doing talking heads, this is a talking head, I'm doing like everybody else. What if you turn your back to the camera and did a video like that? Would that work? Maybe not, probably not, I don't know. What I'm saying is I'm trying to get you thinking that way. What can you do to be different so that you can be yourself, bring your own creativity, but also get the right attention? Think outside the box. There are so many possibilities out there, especially with the internet, so many tools. Okay, so not only use the tools available, but use the tools that suit you, that suit your personality, but also it's all in here. How can I be different? Does it make sense? Please let me know if this one makes sense. Think outside the box and then dare to act outside the box, okay? Because it's only from doing that you're going to learn, okay? And I don't care if it doesn't work. I don't care if it was a big mistake. At least you've learned something, okay? So let me know what you think. Leave me a comment below. As always, I will reply. Do subscribe. Tick the little bell, and I think that's it. That's all the bossing I have for today. Jennifer Asada from the west coast of Ireland. I'm going to be following up on you with the next video on how to create success in your life and in your business, no matter who you are, where you are, what you do. Bye for now.